Okay, guys, so a few months back, my son had a birthday, and for his birthday, we got him this. Now, he was only able to fly it about one time, and then after that, it didn't work because something broke on it and we didn't know what it was. So, today I did a little investigating with it, and come to find out, that balancer thing right there is snapped off. And that's the reason why I thought it was a screw missing, and it's not. You can't. It's like a ball joint. You can't put it back on because the ball joint part is broke off. So I'm gonna try to replace that part with one of my old helicopters that I've got lying around. Also, the name of this helicopter is it's called the Stalker, and it's made by a company called Rover, and they're pretty decent helicopters. I like them for indoor helis. Pretty durable, except for obviously that one part on there. If you guys remember one of the past episodes, this one right here, it's seen better days. Yeah, well, I'm gonna try to take that one off and put it on the other one. See if I can get it to work. So this should be fun. Let's see what happens. Okay, so what I gotta do is I gotta try to get this piece right here off. I gotta replace that. And I found an old helicopter. I'll just put back up on the shelf because it no longer works right. And I'll take that part off of there and see if I can't get it to work. What I gotta do is, looks like I gotta push that pin out right there. And looks like it's gotta come out. The one that's gonna go in, I'm gonna use the other one because the other one looks like it might be easier and better to screw. See, I don't know if you can see that. It's a little screw. So I'm going to replace it with that little screw-on thing because it's probably going to be easier to do that way. Okay, so here are the parts I needed to replace. This came from the old chopper. This pin, I think I'm going to use the screw that came with the other one and just not use this pin. And then this thing, I think these are the parts that have to go on to replace. Okay. So far so good. Now I gotta put this part back on right there. Goes right here. And then I gotta screw it in place. tighten this up right here. That way it stays on. Put this one back on right here. Put that back on the ball joint, and there we go. It's all fixed. And as you can see, here's the old one, the broken off ball joint. Can't wait to test it out. Okay, so the funny thing is I didn't have to go and do all that. Apparently I did all that for no reason, because I have 4 bags of spare parts that I forgot about. So now I'm going to fix the old school chopper. While I wait for the other one to charge up to test it out. The extra screw, all the spare parts I had. Okay. So we got this all put together. Now I gotta screw it down. Okay, so we got everything back together, and now I am putting the screws back in to hold it to the axle that comes off of the motor. And this one is back together, which is crazy because I forgot I had all those parts. And I didn't have to take this. I didn't have to dissect this one, but at least I got a video out of it. As you can see, it doesn't come off, and it's ready to go. So the chopper will fly again. Let's go check on the one that's charging. Well, that's our show. Thanks for watching. As you can see, sometimes you can fix them and sometimes you can't. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button Also, don't forget to ring that bell for notifications for new episodes. Find us on Instagram, all lowercase, R_C_CRAY_Z, and then also on Facebook. These are all capital. Capital RCCRAY-Z. And don't forget, just keep droning.